Hey everyone, this is Super Mario Logan here, and today I'm going to be doing a double feature unboxing of Freebirds and Thor Dark World. I know I've ever seen this movie in theaters, and I haven't seen Freebirds, and Freebirds is rated PG, and Thor Dark World is rated PG-13. Let's start with it. Here we are. Comes with Blu-ray, DVD, digital copy. Actually, it's an ultraviolet copy. And you got the sticker here. Laugh right, high and fun. And you got the side. Got Redbird, Freebirds. Got got Bluebird. And on the back, you add this. So, let me change this song real quick. I just changed the song into Child. Anyways, let's open this. Let me take the slip cover out. There we go. Blu-ray case to the DVD case, the cover. So let's open this. If you have a knife here, or you'll take that. Yeah, that says for some cause. That's on the Incredibox, because I will be making a new video. And you got this thing on top. And that's half of it. Hold on, let me just... That's one half of it. You know, I'll be back, guys. Alright. I'm sorry I got that later, but anyway. Let's take this off. Hate the top things. Hold on. That's one half of it. One more. The Blu-ray symbol won't be going away. And then there we go. And I'll open this. Here's your code for your ultraviolet code for the digital copy. And the sheet is blank. Let's start with this. So here's your Blu-ray disc. It's got Purple Bird and Red Bird there. You got this DVD. And you got the DVD, got Red Bird and Blue Bird. So that's Freebirds for you. next we'll open up Thor Dark World. I've seen this in theaters. Comes with the Blu-ray 3D, Blu-ray, digital HD Ultra digital copy. Got Thor there, and you got the sticker here. Captain America 2. Here you got the side here, in the back. Got Loki there. And you got these evil minions, and you got Thor. Let's take this off. There we go. Now we open it. Okay. Anyway. If you like Thor 2, you'll just see this in theaters. If you did, Loki just died. Just like the Beast on Beauty and the Beast. But then Loki came back to life. Very, very short. There we go. Now we open this up. There's a lock case. Here's the code for the digital copy. Then you got this booklet. Oh, it's a little booklet. Alright, so here's the Blu-ray 3D. And we got this, the Blu-ray disc. So that's it for this one. So that's it for this. So that's it for Thor 2. Just came out February. Okay. So that's it for Freebirds and Thor 2 unboxing. This is Super Mario Logan. I'll be making my next video. Belle, Flint, and Flint's stupid and crazy adventures. And also I'll be making a video, Luigi and Bambi's Mansion. See you guys next time.